Hi guys, I hope everyone is fine. Today is another time to talk about another interesting mental health condition, and I have to talk about this because a friend of mine drew my attention to it. It is when some women give birth, and with a few weeks after birth, they get mental illness. So people will see that they are not themselves again, exhibiting all how do I say it, the symptoms. Maybe they'll be hearing voices, seeing things. Some of them even abandon their babies, and this happens immediately after birth, the few weeks. So people are like, sometimes people bedevil it. They can say maybe the woman did something. That was why when she gave birth, she's behaving like a mad person. Please, it's not because the woman did anything. It's a mental health condition called postpartum psychosis or puerperal psychosis. And I'm happy talking about this condition because I used it to write my case study. So, yeah, I have a little bit of control over it. So, now this condition comes not because it's evil or the woman has done something, as I've said. It comes with a lot, and I'll talk about a few. Okay, the most important one that is usually the case is when the person has some sort of mental illness in her family, especially bipolar and schizophrenia. If that woman has it in the family, it's likely that anytime she gives birth, with a few weeks, sometimes within 2 weeks to like a month, she will experience this mental illness. And if care is not taken, it might continue. So we just want to let husbands and family members know. Maybe it's the person's first delivery and it happens. It's not any, how do I say it, outrageous thing. It's normal if the person has it in the family. Another thing that also causes this, another thing that can also cause this puerperal psychosis, somebody getting mental illness after giving birth, is hormonal changes. This is because people go through a lot during pregnancy and the hormonal changes they experience. You know that women change when they get pregnant. So physically, some of them do have large noses like mine. Meanwhile, they didn't have large noses before. Some of them will get swollen feet. Some of them, their skin colors will even change. You find a very fair and beautiful lady looking so dark just because of pregnancy. Now, this can also affect the brain. So during those times, maybe the adjustment will be difficult, will be stressful for the person's brain, and it can lead to having mental illness shortly after delivery. Okay, now if somebody also goes through a lot during pregnancy, maybe abusive relationship, the man is beating her and she starts asking herself questions why she got married to such a man and all that, it can also bring about this illness after birth, the person getting some sort of mental illness symptoms after birth. Now, sleep deprivation. Okay, the brain is such that if you deny it, it will also deny you. So, especially if you have it in your family, if you have mental illness in your family, and deprive yourself a lot of sleep during pregnancy, it's possible that it will come at you after you have delivered by means of you having some psychological or psychotic symptoms, as I'll put it. So please, if you have a relative who gets into the state of mental confusion or even having some sort of mental illness symptoms after giving birth, some have it anytime they give birth, please don't be alarmed. Just visit the nearest hospital. There are mental health nurses there. They will take you through it. They'll put her on medication, and within a short time she'll be fine. Okay, she'll be fine. And these are some of the symptoms. When they get into the situation, they will not like to bath. Just imagine a woman who has finished giving birth and she doesn't want to bath. It's not normal. Some will refuse to even give the baby breast milk or feed the baby with breast milk. It's not normal. So if you start seeing these signs, okay, they will talk a lot because they are hearing voices. They will talk a lot because they are seeing things you are not seeing. When it happens, it is a mental health condition. Help them by taking them to the closest hospital or clinic. Visit the mental health unit and you'll be sorted out. Okay, my name is Martin Kumoji. Once again, share this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel Mental Health Martin, and let's learn more. I just want people to know some basics about mental illness. All right, so stay glued, stay calm. When this happens to your relative, there's no cause for alarm. Visit the nearest mental health unit. Share, subscribe to the channel, and let's keep learning. Thank you so much. See you next time.